in the WWE. He's a former bare-knuckle fighting champion in his native England, so you know he's tough and ruthless as they come. Here we go with Wade Barrett. Oh, out of nowhere! Counter by the fighter from Manchester. And if Dean Ambrose able to break free. Here we go with Dean Ambrose. Oh, but it's a reversal by they don't quite know what to fully expect from Dean Ambrose. They know Ambrose is a lethal entity here in the WWE, and they know he'll make any doubters a believer in him and the Shield. He's going to get kicked out of it. The championship hangs in the balance. Oh, what a terrific reversal by Wade Barrett. He anticipated that move perfectly. Oh, mama! He knows what's connected. He saw that one coming. WWE has never seen anyone like Dean Ambrose, and have never experienced anything like the Shield. As a united front, Ambrose, along with Rollins and Reigns, created the strongest force sports entertainment has ever seen. What does Dean Ambrose need to do right now? When you know the submissions that this guy does, there's always the threat of locking in a devastating hold. And that's what he's got to be thinking about right now. Well, there's all kind of things underneath that ring. Steel chairs, tables, ladders. Be careful, Cole. Wow! If he keeps this up, this could be over quick. Get the medics down here. Look where he's going again. And he gets escorted back to the ropes. And what is probably no surprise to anyone, Dean Ambrose keeps his life away from WWE under lock and key. The native of Cincinnati, Ohio, loves the psychology of the human reaction. Ambrose will do things, even away from the ring, just to see how people will react. He's looking at it. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, he got it. Dean Ambrose gets that shoulder up, and that, folks, was close. He was still ahead on that one. That's it. You know, we'd like to know more about Dean Ambrose, Michael. Whether he's in a WWE ring or on a rare day off from sports entertainment, Ambrose looks to defy danger. I don't believe the destruction we're seeing. This guy's just going from one painful move to another. And he barely avoids the pinfall. Wow, Cole! Did you see that? That laid him out cold. Wow, what a counter by the fighter from Manchester. Bad news, Barrett making a move. Barrett kick out at 2.5. Whoa. Oh, and a terrific reversal by Wade Barrett. Moving out Sheeran's big down. Hey now. Ambrose has the approach to do it right there. And Wade Barrett gets the shoulder roll. Thus far, this has been a very physical, very intense, anything goes contest. The toll these competitors have taken is insurmountable. He seems dazed. He's confused. Watch it. Watch it. There's the cover. Can he do it? One. Wade Barrett kicks out at 2. And now the toll of this very physical contest. He was just screaming into those steel steps. Now back under the ring, looking for another object of some sort.